I want you to sing it to us. Hey, hey. I'm just crazy about the way we move. I'm just crazy about the way we move. cheer. Ladies and gentlemen, finish your drinks and get out.
Put your hands together, come on, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, the All-Star Band! As they take a bow, ladies and gentlemen, let's line them all up. Wilbur Wild, Ross Wilson, Jimmy Barnes, Ian Ross, and Glenn Shorrock, ladies and gentlemen. Mushy. I want all the other musicians join in for a massive bow, a massive lineup. All the gang. Our local house band, the Super Band, Jimmy's band. Join in. On the count of three, we'll take a bow. 1, 2, 3. The cream of Australia's rock and roll history, ladies and gentlemen, in front of you now. But one more! Take another bow! Now, on behalf of the artists, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to say some thank yous to the people that made this cruise happen, and we are grateful to them. Let's hear it for the directors and CEOs of Choose Your Cruise. A big thank you to Scott Collett of Woodstock Winery, Mick and Elaine Manov, along with their beautiful family, Damien Manov, sound engineer, Caitlin Manov, project and marketing manager in charge of sales as well, Dylan Manov, sales manager, and the extended family of the Choose Your Cruise team, Roseanne Chadwick, Sandy Williams, Vicky Biber, thank you very much, guys. You guys take a bow too. Come on. You're down the road. Well done, mate. You're the stars. And a big thank you from all of us, ladies and gentlemen, to Maurice Els of Artist Network Australia, our promoter and booking agent. And last but not least, Steve Lloyd, CEO of Cruiseco, and his team for making these cruises happen. And a big round of applause to you guys, because you guys made this cruise happen by coming along. Thank you very much. George, thank you, Moishi. Now we're going to take an official photo, ladies and gentlemen. We get the professional photographers in for a quick photo. And then you guys can have a go as well. So just a quick professional photo. We'll get everybody in.
Was he? So